Hi everyone, welcome back to the Dashboard Roadmap, a series where we explore some of the City Health Dashboard's best features. I'm Sammy, and in this episode, I'm going to walk you through the metric detail page, which shows how a city is doing for a particular metric. Today, we're heading to Beaverton, Oregon. When the selector pops up, you can click on any metric, which takes you right to that metric detail page. Let's take a look at frequent mental distress. The first things you will see are the title of the metric, the year of data we're looking at, and a description of what it's measuring. You can select more about this metric to see the original data source, the years of collection, and the data availability, either city level or census tract level, and if there is demographic data. When multi-year data is available, you can click on the year next to the metric name to see a list of all the years of data you can access. You can select any of these years and the metric detail page will update to reflect the selected year. The scale bar shows the range of values for the metric, either for the tracts within that city, or you can toggle here to see the range of all tracts included on the dashboard. The color gradient is also helpful. Deeper colors always indicate poorer outcomes, and lighter colors indicate better outcomes. The blue check mark with the circle indicates the direction of better outcomes. For this metric, a lower percentage of adults reporting frequent mental distress is the better outcome. The gold bar shows the city value for a metric, and the navy triangle below the scale indicates the dashboard city average. This green check mark is shown only when the selected area's average is better than the dashboard city average. We also include a sense-making statement to help you interpret the scale bar. The city map allows you to see how a city is doing and, when available, to see how the neighborhoods within that city, aka census tracts, are performing. You can easily compare neighborhoods and click into each individual census tract on the map. A tooltip will pop up with the metric value and geographic information. Clicking on the star on the top left of the tooltip will save the census tract, and you can see a list of your saved census tracts here on the right, even when you return to the site later. By clicking on this eye icon, the census tract becomes highlighted in purple. And that's it for this episode of the Dashboard Roadmap on interpreting the metric detail page. Thanks for tuning in. Don't hesitate to reach out with questions, comments, and ideas for future episodes by emailing info@cityhealthdashboard.com. See you on the site.